Sacramento, we'll start to see and hear that heavy rain on the rooftops between about midnight and 1 a.m. So a couple hours yet to go. But in between these bands of heavy rain tonight and tomorrow morning will come those strong winds. And as that moisture works its way up the west slope of the Sierra, that's going to turn back into some heavy snow. The snow, at least at this point, kind of relaxing a bit. But if you're thinking, oh, cool, we can get up to the Sierra tomorrow morning. No, conditions are only going to get worse ahead of sunrise tomorrow. We are going to have chain controls, likely spinouts and potentially road closures over the Sierra through much of the day tomorrow. Here's a look at the winds. I want to show you how things are going to evolve because we will see wind gusts peaking around 40 to 50 miles per hour a couple different times over the next 12 hours. So this is overnight, and pay attention where you see the fuchsia shading. That's where those winds will be gusting over 40 miles per hour. So shifting over into the east side of the valley and the foothills for a little bit as the next band of rain comes in. This is 8-9 o'clock Saturday morning. Again, widespread with potential wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. And then through midday on Saturday, this is when the winds will be at their strongest. You see there Tracy and some spots in the foothills possibly gusting to 50 miles per hour. That's when the rain is going to start to wind down. I'm going to show you how much rain we'll see and how much snow we'll see with full forecast in a few minutes.
Okay, looking